Hello friends, welcome to all in my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you very important concepts from mathematics, geometry. Here today I am going to explain about the altitude and median. So firstly we will study what is meant by altitude. Altitude, it is the perpendicular segment drawn from vertex of triangle on the side opposite to it. It is called an altitude of the triangle. In triangle ABC, segment AP is the altitude on base BC. So perpendicular line from vertex. These are the vertex and these are the opposite side of each vertex. Side BC is opposite to vertex A, side AB is opposite to vertex C, and side AC is opposite to vertex B. So today we will learn the procedure of how to draw the altitude. So altitude is nothing but it is the perpendicular segment drawn from vertex of a triangle on the side opposite to it. So there are different steps. Step 1, extend a side of the triangle at both the ends. So this, then from R set the compass width beyond PQ. Set the compass width beyond PQ. Then draw two arcs across the line PQ, creating points A and B from point R. Keep one end of compass fixed at R and take the distance which is greater than this length. Then draw arc on line PQ which is opposite to vertex R, making points A and B, point A and B. Then keep point B as a center, draw with same distance, draw arc here, and with A as a center for compass and draw another arc. Both the arcs cut one another at point C. Then draw point RC. So angle S is the 90-degree angle, that is the triangle QSR is the 90 right angle triangle, and this is the 90-degree angle. So this is the perpendicular. So this is called as the RS. RS is called as the altitude of triangle. And same procedure you do and draw other arcs, other altitudes of triangle. So altitude from point P, altitude from point Q, same procedure, follow the same procedure and draw the altitudes. Now another most important concept in geometry is median. Median is nothing but it is the segment joining the vertex and midpoint of the opposite side. It's called the median of triangle. So here in triangle SCF, segment FD is the median on the base CH. So median divides opposite side of angle in equal parts. So this DC is equal to HD. Length HD is equal to length DC or length CD. So this is the midpoint of HC, and the point joining midpoint of opposite side to the vertex of triangle is called as the median. Now we will see how to draw the median. So first we will draw step 1, that is with the compass P on P, set it to any median width. Then, so this way you set, or you take the distance in the compass more than half of this PQ, length PQ, and with a center P draw one arc cutting PQ at any point. So draw the arc on opposite side. So this will reduce your time. This process. So draw arc on upper side and downward side of PQ. Then with same radius, take Q as a center and draw one arc here, upward side and downward side of PQ are cutting the another arc at some points. Then join these 2 points. Then S is the point on line PQ is the midpoint of line PQ. Then draw the line RS. Draw the line RS. This RS line is called as the median of triangle PQR. So do same procedure and draw another 2 medians of triangle. So also you try to draw altitude and median of right angle triangle, acute angle triangle and obtuse angle triangle, and learn the properties of these different types of triangles related with the median and altitude. So thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please do share it and subscribe the channel for more such knowledgeable videos. Thank you.